Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today we'll be doing a 2019 Toyota Prius. We're only doing the interior instead of the outside, and stick to the end of the video to get the owner's reaction. So a little background of the vehicle, it's a 2019 Toyota Prius, and the customer, since he first got the car, he never cleaned it. I will say that when I was taking out the mats, I actually saw a couple of dead bugs, and that was really nasty. As always, I always start vacuuming the car. It makes everything easier, and ever since I got the drill brush, it has been a game changer. I've been able to tackle those spots that are on the carpet and make easy work of them. Before I actually get to cleaning the vehicle, I always make sure I vacuum everything in the seat, make sure it's all clean, so right when I add the solution and spray it down, it's all good to go. So what I'm using right now is the Chemical Guys carpet cleaner. It smells like citrus, and I gotta say, it works wonders getting stains out. So the drill brush that I use is the drill brush. It has a soft white bristle, and the drill itself is just one I had lying around that my dad gave me, and I just attached it. So I'm trying to make my videos better, guys, so if you guys just could tell me what your favorite part is it the vacuuming, the extraction, adding the soap, or you guys just don't like the video, please just let me know. And do you guys also detail your cars? If not, you know, you can always ask me. There is a method to my madness when it comes to cleaning. I always make sure to start off with the driver's seat, passenger, and then the back. You don't want to return the owner's car with a wet seat. They will not be happy. So some people might be wondering, how long does it take? Is it 30 minutes? Is it an hour? Is it 6 hours? Is it the whole day? So for this car, for example, the customer came at 1 o'clock and I finished around 5 o'clock. So that's 4 hours of work. I try to make sure I get everything clean and everything is in order. And I will say some of it does come to videoing. So that's why there are some parts in the video which I don't record, just so I can save time and just get it over with. As I said before, there is a method to my madness. The reason why I add a little bit of water to the seats is because right before I spray it, I want to make sure that the soap can absorb it and penetrate all those stains, all the dirt that's in the seat, and just extract everything. So in case you guys were wondering which I prefer, using these types of seats or leather seats, I will 100% say leather. It's more satisfying, it's easier to clean, and it's not as much time consuming as it is extracting all the water, soap, and dirt from seats. When it comes to the mats, thankfully these are plastic and they're really easy to clean. Just add some soap, some water, and you're good to go. Be sure to also scrub it as well. So the soap that I use is just the Dawn one. It's a pink color, I don't remember. And this mat is super satisfying to clean. All that soap, getting all the dirt out, just overall loved it. So what I'm using right now is the McCulloch Steam Cleaner, and it works wonders getting the dirt off the cup holders, the dashboard, and any other plastic surfaces. I actually didn't show it off in the last video, but I'm showing it off right now. So one of the cool things I like doing is using the steamer inside the air vents to get all the dirt out, and it has that nice effect. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm wearing a hoodie right now because it is a bit chilly outside.
Okay, I'm very excited. First time I've gotten my inside of my car cleaned. A lot of times this stuff is done superficially, and I really want to take a look at this passenger seat because this was covered in stains, and this is really what I wanted to pay the money for, was to get these stains out. So if you can, I don't know if the camera can really pick it up, it is late, it is dark out, but this seat looks brand new. It is clean, it smells clean, it feels clean. It was totally steamed, everything out of it. It just looks, it has that sporty look to it. And I'm really happy with this seat. As well as the floors. The floors covered in dirt, covered in just everything from boots, sandals, to sneakers, to... I've never had the floor mats cleaned or anything cleaned out of there, so that's really, really big for me. As well as just everyone putting their fingers and hands and touching these screens. Now that all these are touch screens, so I really needed to get all that dust off. You couldn't even see some of these buttons. Totally looks brand new now, which has me really happy. As well as the little cup holder internal section here, which is just all cleared out. So I had, I don't know, from masks to dirty sunglasses, trash, wrappers, everything, dirt, crust, all in there. So very happy with this whole front section of the car. I do want to look at the back briefly here, which I don't think was as bad as my front was, just because I don't have too many rear passengers. But the back seat it just looks beautiful. It looks brand new, sparkling clean. Again, I know you guys can't smell it at home, but it just smells really good in here. So that's really nice when you get in your car and it has that nice fresh car smell. So very happy, really good work here today, and certainly worth keeping your car clean, especially this with what's going on right now in our world. One more satisfied customer. Thank you.
You're welcome, Justin.